In today's video, we're going to be discussing an important aspect in physics titled Basic Concept of Heat and Temperature. Without much time, let's begin the class for today. Temperature is defined as the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. So with this simple word being laid down, let's give this section of this video a titled Concept of Temperature. So temperature is a property of an object which decides which way heat will flow when it is placed in contact with another object. So these two are definitions for temperature. So if you want to define temperature, you can either say temperature is defined as the degree of hotness or coldness of an object, or you can say temperature is defined as a property of an object which decides which way heat will flow when it is placed in contact with another object. So the transfer of heat energy is as a result of temperature difference between two objects. So let's assume we have two body A and body B. So for it to either flow from body A to body B or from body B to body A, there's a concept that needs to be analyzed called temperature difference. Let's assume our body A is at 77 degrees Celsius and our body B is at 44 degrees Celsius. And we all know that heat energy will flow from a body of higher temperature to a body of lower temperature, except in extreme condition in which heat energy will flow from a body of lower temperature to a body of higher temperature. That is an exceptional case, and in that case, there are some conditions that need to be kept in place, but we're not looking at it. So let's assume our body A, as I said earlier, is 77 degrees Celsius and our body B is 44 degrees Celsius. So heat energy will flow from body A to body B in this case, because body A is at higher temperature than body B. That is why the concept of temperature difference needs to be put into consideration when determining which body heat will flow. We have instruments used for measuring temperature, which is generally titled thermometer. Okay. So temperature rise or fall as the body gets hotter or colder respectively. Sorry for the when the body is hot, temperature will rise. When the body is cool or is getting cooler, temperature will fall. So the next aspect of this video is concept of heat. So what do you want to understand by concept of heat, or what comes to our mind without looking at the screen when the word concept of heat is mentioned? So heat is a form of energy called thermal energy, and heat flow from a body at higher temperature to one at lower temperature. So those are the two basic concepts you need to know about it. But we'll be discussing more of this concept of heat in one of our videos where we're dealing with calculations under this topic, heat. Okay, so I would like to beg you all to use this opportunity to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're watching it on YouTube. And if you're watching it on all other social media platforms, don't forget to follow the page, like, and share. And if you're watching it on YouTube, please don't also forget to turn on the notification bar so you'll be notified when calculations under this topic is released. Thank you. So in our next video, before the discussion of the calculations under this aspect of this topic, we'll be dealing with effect of heat. For those that want to prepare before they get to the next video, I would like to share an overview of what we'll be dealing with in the next video. So we'll be dealing with effect of heat, and under effect of it, we'll be laying more emphasis on change in temperature of the body. That means, what does heat have to do with change in temperature of the body? That means, what relationship does heat and temperature have when it comes to temperature of a body, when it comes to the changes that happen in temperature of a body? Okay, so the next one we'll be dealing with change in state of the body. That means, what effect of heat can cause change in the state of a body. Like now, let's take for example now, if heat is being applied to ice, some temperature, maybe should turn to water or liquid. That is exactly what we are going to be emphasizing on in the next video. That means we are going to lay more emphasis on it in our next video. So we'll be looking at expansion of the object or body. Okay, I believe you understand that. Let's take for example, if you have metal. When metal is being heated, there's According to scientists, they say there's a probability that there's an expansion of the metal, and when heat is gone, they will be like it will return back to its normal state. But for proper understanding, for proper understanding of this expansion of the object, that means the effect of heat on the expansion of the object, we'll be discussing it in the next video.